Yeah, just a quick one, folks. It looked like there'd been some crashing when I went past the pub. There were about five or eight police officers. So I'm not sure what's happened here at all, but I've had to go a bit away because it looks a little bit sensitive. Let's calm girls. Wait till these cars bugger off. Let's wait until this van goes. Yeah, so not sure what's happened here at all. Like been some crash when I went past the pub. The glasses smashed. So I'm not sure what's happened here personally. I'm gonna read it on Evening Post, folks. I'll find out what's happened. But I wouldn't normally do. So I'll wait till the car goes. Yeah, but about 5 or 8 police officers who looks pretty serious personally, folks. So let's wait till the car goes. Yeah, so I've had to go a bit away because it looks quite a serious incident. So just a quick one, folks, to let you know there's been some kind of crash, an incident in the pub in Bayside, folks. Alright, thanks for watching, folks.